Making easy work of everyday use, this Beko electric freestanding cooker is ideal for any budding chef. With a 69-litre oven capacity, you can enjoy great flexibility when cooking a variety of food for the whole family. And with a separate 36-litre grill, you can cook your chips in the oven whilst your bacon crisps in the grill. The removable inner glass door and the inner panels are free from bolts, allowing them to be easily wiped clean. Perfect for anyone with a busy schedule, cleaning can now be a quick and hassle-free part of the day. The steam cleaning feature will soften any dirt or burnt food in the oven. All you need to do is fill the tray with water and let the evaporation soften residue, so you can easily wipe away mess with a damp cloth. Make mealtimes stress-free with this large capacity, easy clean Beko electric freestanding cooker.